Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought there was something on my face. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a tutorial on this Khloe Kardashian makeup look done by Ash Kohlm. I thought it was so beautiful. They did it for the new Good American shoes, I believe. I mean, I think so. That's what I'm guessing. And I thought it was so pretty. I posted it on my story. Whenever I see a beautiful makeup look, I post it on my Instagram story. You guys really liked it too, so I haven't done a tutorial in so long. So I was like, maybe I should do it, see how it's received. But yeah, that's what this video is. Some of it's voiceover. Basically, all I show you is how to do the top of the eyelid. If you would end the lipstick, and if you would like a foundation tutorial too, just let me know and I could do that separately. But this tutorial is just on the lids, with everything that I use and the technique that I use to do, I guess, a cut crease. And that's it. So I'm gonna post the pictures on Instagram, but if you wanna know how to do this makeup look, then please keep watching. Hi guys, so for this look, the 35XO palette was perfect in my opinion, and it's really affordable. So I wanted to use something that if you wanted to pick it up, it's not that expensive. And I love this palette, by the way. I'll find any reason to use it. I've been using it a lot. I feel like it's beautiful neutral shades, but also girly and pink. So of course I'm gonna go in and build in the color. Cut creases are always building the color and then blending it out, in my opinion. I have wrinkly lids, maybe some of you guys do too. So you'll see that I lay down the shape first and then I keep buffing the edges. And I like to build in the color. So I start with the lighter shades, like a transition shade, like Body Language, and then I keep going back and forth between a pencil brush and the deeper shades like Let's Snuggle. And then I go back in and blend those edges out as well. And that's how I find it creates a gradient without it getting too messy, especially on lids that might be more hooded or have extra skin. I'm older, guys, okay? My cut creases are never gonna look like the ones that the girls do on Instagram because my lids are different. So some of you might have extra skin on your lids as well. It's a thing. I've always had eyelids like this. So cut creases have always been kind of difficult, but I found that if you keep building in the color, like right now, I went back in with Make It Official and built in the color so I can blend and have more control over it. So you'll need several brushes, like a couple of pencil brushes, a detail brush, and a blending brush. And that's how I build the color in. I also put a little bit of the Come Here Often on the brow bone. I don't like a brow bone too bright, but a little bit looks really, really pretty. And then I build in the color, so I went back in with Make It Official and a pencil brush, and then blended it out again. Now to cut the crease, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. I don't like it for an eyeshadow primer. I literally just like it to cut the crease because I feel like it's very drying. You have more control, but it's almost too drying for the whole lid. So I prime the lid using concealer and then I cut the crease using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer, but I only use it at the top. So like I said, my lids have extra skin, so cutting the crease is a little bit more difficult than you've seen in tutorials on Instagram. So I take a very flat, detailed brush. I even pinch it to make it more flat. And I build in the cutting, okay? So you'll see it even skips and drags a little bit. So I just take it, you know, one step at a time, build it in slow. For me, it's never going to be absolutely perfect. I'm okay with that. I do the best I can. I go in and make corrections. A cut crease on me will always take a bit longer. So if you have the same kind of lids, definitely practice and allow yourself extra time, because cut creases are not going to be that easy, especially when you don't have super taut and tight lids. Mine have extra skin, so it drags a little bit. I even have to go back in and correct it with some shadow, but in my opinion, I feel like it still comes out really nice, you know? I feel like it still looks really good and I'm able to do it. It just takes longer. So I clean it up and then you go in with the shiny shadow. I like the one Your Move in the palette, and just layering the first silver shade, and then we're going to go back in with some sparkles. So I wanted to base it with as much silver as I could. What, is this an allergic reaction or what? This would happen to me mid-filming. I couldn't tell you what it is because it's not on my chest. I'm just gonna keep going because this type of thing happens to me and then it goes away. So maybe it's my coffee today, I don't know. Hank & Henry brand has this really beautiful liquid eye shimmers. They feel like a jelly, but they're so good. It is the perfect silver, so I layered it right on top of the eyeshadow. It doesn't flake off. It is the perfect texture for something like this. And then with the same brand eyeliner, Hank & Henry's eyeliner, I decided last minute to put black in the crease. You can skip this. I should have done this from the beginning, but I'm chaotic and messy, so I did it later. And then for the top eyeliner, I had to get really close and put on my eyeliner. So I did it off camera. Sorry, guys. So gluing on the gems, I ordered the gems off of Amazon or Etsy, something like that, but I'll link them down below. And I put the glue section by section. So I just used lash glue and started at the inner corner and then did a section, added the gems with tweezers, and that's how I built in the gems. I don't know if they use gems for their look. I think I read that they used chunky glitter, but I love gluing gems on my eyelids, okay? They're a little bit difficult to get off, but I think the tiny ones look so beautiful on the eyelid, and with flash pictures, they just look so, so good. So definitely try that. And I extended it all the way out to the side, and then obviously repeat the same steps on the other lid. So I finished the eye makeup and the face makeup. I didn't do the skin part, the foundation part. You can't really see like if there's anything different about her foundation. So I figured let me just focus on an eye makeup tutorial and then add the lips later. So that was my logic. If you want a foundation tutorial about how I do a full glam, then you could I could do that. So just let me know. But she does very clearly have a very nude lip on. Buxom sent me their new lipsticks. This one looks like it will work. They're the Full Force lipsticks, and this one's called Fly Girl. I have a little lip balm on, so hold on. My allergies are killing me. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so let me put it on. In my opinion, it looks just like the picture of this color, but I'm gonna add a little lip liner. The formula is so nice. This feels great. Okay, I love this color. I'm not gonna do a lot of lip liner, so I'm gonna use this one. This is from e.l.f. in the Retro Paradise collection, but there's no name for this specific lip liner. I think that blends nice. Okay. And I forgot to mention, for the under eyes, they didn't show that either. So I just assumed it was a smoky under eye. So I just did the same colors on the bottom with black in the waterline. I don't have a lot of beanies because they don't fit me. I have a really small head and beanies look really dumb on me. But I do have this one from Dolls Kill, so I'm thinking I'll turn it around. Ah, it looks really, I don't look good in them. Okay, so she was kind of like this, right? Let me look at the picture. Oh, she has a gray one. Do I have a gray one? I don't have a gray beanie. I have a pink one though. Maybe pink will look better. Oh, I should open the door to my balcony because it's getting really warm. Okay, I have a pink beanie. Oh, I like this one. Okay, we're gonna do this one. And this is the finished look. I hope it was helpful if you liked her makeup too. I really loved how it looked. I want to do something maybe not this dark, maybe without the black. I want to do this for New Year's Eve, even if I stay inside. I think it's really pretty. I love gems on the eyelids. I love even just one or two. I love them like this. I think it looks so pretty. So I hope you're able to do it. Maybe you could wear it for New Year's Eve or Christmas or something. Let me know in the comments. I'm going to list everything I used in the description bar. I'll also link oh no, this hoodie is definitely not. This hoodie is from Zara years ago. I don't think they're gonna have it. But I'm gonna post pictures on Instagram trying to recreate her picture. And that's really it. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, comment, click the like button, whatever. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you come back for more tutorials.